Today we will discuss a school syllabus story from class 7 of WBBSE, Newton and his pet dog Diamond. Let's start our story. Newton was a renowned scientist. He had been engaged in research work for a long 20 years. One night he felt his chamber. On the table lay a heap of valuable papers. His pet dog Diamond was sleeping nearby. Suddenly he woke up, jumped and overturned the lighted candle. The papers caught fire and turned into ashes. Newton entered the room and perceived everything. He was very much shocked to see the mischief. Still, he did not lose patience. He began patting the dog, saying, "Diamond, you don't know what mischief you have done." Moral: forgiveness is a great virtue. That's all.